What a beautiful morning. Your wife wakes you at 6:30 and goes, you know what, let's just do it. Let's just risk it. So my daredevil of a wife.
Just do it. That's my motto.
Just do it.
I was going to say, oh look at a matching, but it's out of das. All day I dream about sex, not just do it. Yeah, they stop. Want me to do it?
What you doing, my love?
Emptying our crap. It's very clean. This is the cleanest one I've ever seen.
This is the most disgusting job. I'm a nurse and there is no way in hell I'd be doing this. Videoing from a safe distance because that smell nobody should ever smell.
We're done.
packed up my truck, said goodbye to my phone, left a gone camping sign, now on my own. No meetings, no emails, no boss breathing down, just me and the pine trees, far from the town. I'm gone camping and the world can wait. Got a
I'm thinking.
What are you doing? It's pouring rain.
Thinking.
Play fin span.
When I played, I get a fish.
But this life in the woods is more pure than gold. I traded my Wi-Fi.
That 40 mil of rain this afternoon, we now have a raging torrent in front of our caravan. The weather has broken for now at least. So we're going to get a fire started.
Make a fire.
Like fire.
You got a
My heart.
rip-roaring torrent behind you now.
Hopefully that doesn't come up anymore.
It was a bubbling creek when we got here.
It was a bit more than a bubbling creek. But yes, you're right. You could see the steps.
You could see the stones in the bottom.
Yeah, it only looked to be ankle deep.
Yeah, definitely not anymore. We've still got a while before it comes up here. Rain stopped. We're in our burry clothes.
It's not even cold. It's only 15
No, it's actually
degrees.
alright. It's not too bad. But I got prepared.
You're making it a lot worse than it is.
I got coffee in my cup, bacon frying on the pan. Waking up by the sunrise wasn't part of the plan. But there's beauty here in nature, it just feels so right. Gone camping for a weekend, or maybe my whole life.